किसकी हिम्मत है हमारी परवाज में लाए कमी, किसकी हिम्मत है हमारी परवाज में लाए कमी, हम परवाजों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं। We proudly celebrate the Defense Day of our sweet motherland every year. The entire world knows that how the courageous, fearless and daring tigers of Pakistan army crushed the plan, organized and secret aggression of the enemy. They reduced all the strength and boldness of Indian army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मात में दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने। Mr. President, Pakistan was not given to us as a charity. It was not made to secure the piece of land, and it was not made in a day. Pakistan is the result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies in two-nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the efforts of Ali brothers, in the dreams of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the undefeatable leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, हम तो मिट जाएंगे ए अर्ज़े वतन लेकिन, तुमको जिंदा रहना है क़यामत की सहर होने तक। Mr. President, during the Pakistan movement for the liberation of Indian Muslims, Quaid made it clear that we the Muslims are not the minority. We are nations according to all the definitions of the word nation, or culture, or history, or religion, or ways of thinking. Even everything is not only different from those of Hindus, but their heroes are our enemies, and our heroes are also considered enemies. But them, when we cannot even eat together, then what about one country? So Quaid warned that we shall wish for a liberty where we would be independent and implement the ideology of Islam. दिल से निकलेगी न मर के भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेगी न मर के भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुए वफा आएगी। Mr. President, for compassing these ideals, the whole Muslim Ummah gathered as one unit and sacrificed their lives, sacrificed their sleep, spent all the riches, forgot everything. But Pakistan, by the grace of Allah Almighty, came onto being on 14th August 1947. But Mr. President, Hindus still continue their fake pride of numerous strength in their minds. By hearts, they could not accept the Pakistan as prospering and progressing. In short, they tried their best and attacked Pakistan in 1965 in the darkness of midnight. However, Pakistan was scattered, but its people, the Muslims, were one-fourth of Islam. And on each and every front, whether it was air, land or sea, the fate of Indian army was defeat, humiliation and cowardice. They forget that Pakistan army was heir of Salahuddin Ayyubi, Muhammad bin Qasim, Khalid bin Walid, Ghori and Tipu. तैगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, तैगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा। Dear audience, let's aim together that we shall work hard and excellent in all fields of learning and warfare. We will defend our country till death. We shall make the flag of our country upstand in all the comedy of nations. In the end, I would like to say, मेरी इतनी सी रोशनी से दिलो जान सुलग रहे हैं, मेरी इतनी सी रोशनी से दिलो जान सुलग रहे हैं, मैं ज़रा सी लो बढ़ा दूं तो ये बज़्म जल ना जाए। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।